Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the cabin filter on this Vauxhall Insignia. So what happens is to start off with we'll have to remove this trim on the side, this one here, okay, and then there are 4 screws to undo, okay. So I'm going to point out there was one screw here, it's a 7mm screw, another one there, another one down here, just there, okay, where I'm pointing out my finger, and one on this side just under here. So 4 screws to undo, and okay, so once you do that, the whole glove box comes down, and make sure that you disconnect this connector here. That's for the glove box light. Okay, so once you do that, the whole glove box just comes apart. Okay, so once we do that, so this is the location for the cabin filter here. Okay, so the clip here we're gonna remove. There's a clip here at the top and the clip on the side here. Okay, so that's how we access the cabin filter. See the arrow here? So we're gonna pull the old cabin filter out. There we go. Right, there we go. We are using QH part, like for like filter. Okay, that's how it slides in, like that. Okay, so now we're gonna push the lid back. There we go. Okay, so that's that done. So now we're gonna fit the glove box back in. Right friends, there we go. That's how we're gonna place the glove box back in. So we're just gonna connect the glove box right. There we go, just like that. And now we're gonna open up the glove box. There we go. You hear the click. So one bolt goes in here. There we go. The second one just here. Right, there are 2 bolts to go at the bottom. One here. There we go. And there's one on this side, just here. There we go. That's all 4 bolts secured. There we go. Right, so now we're gonna fit the side trim panel. So that's how it goes in. Like that. There we go. There we go friends, job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.